India's iconic flatbread, is entering a new era of industrial production inside this state-of-the-art facility. The journey begins with high-quality wheat, carefully selected to ensure the perfect texture for every single chapati.
Tons of raw grain are processed daily, moving through pneumatic tubes to maintain total hygiene and efficient flow. Every step is monitored digitally to track temperature, moisture, and speed for consistent quality across the production line.
Subscribe to our channel now to explore more fascinating industrial food processes from every corner of the globe.
Modern milling technology preserves the nutritional value of the wheat while achieving an incredibly fine and consistent flour.
Pure filtered water is added to the flour in precise ratios to create the ideal dough consistency needed. Mechanical arms replicate the traditional hand kneading process with relentless power to ensure the gluten develops perfectly well.
The dough is tested for elasticity and moisture content before it moves to the next stage of production.
This automated divider sections the massive dough mountain into thousands of perfectly equal-sized, small, rounded portions today. The dough balls rest in a humidity-controlled environment, allowing the flour to fully hydrate before final shaping. Hydraulic presses apply even pressure to flatten each ball into a thin circular shape with absolute mathematical precision. Mesmerizing rows of raw flatbreads move toward the oven as the factory operates at a staggering industrial scale.
The oven uses multiple heat zones to cook the chapatis evenly while maintaining.
Intense heat causes the bread to puff up, creating the classic airy layers that are famous in chapatis.
They emerge perfectly baked with a soft aroma that fills the entire facility as they transition to cooling.
A spiraling cooling system prevents moisture buildup and ensures the chapatis stay soft instead of becoming soggy later. Even cooling is essential to prevent cracking, ensuring that every piece remains flexible enough to roll and fold. Advanced robotics handle the final stacking and packaging with speed and accuracy to maintain a sterile environment throughout.
Nitrogen flushing and vacuum sealing extend the shelf life without the need for any artificial chemical food preservatives.
Pallets of fresh chapatis are ready for distribution to grocery stores and restaurants all across the vast country. This industrial process brings convenience to millions while preserving the authentic taste of a traditional home-cooked meal.
The chapati remains the backbone of Indian cuisine, bridging the gap between ancient tradition and modern industrial efficiency.
From a simple grain of wheat to a staple on every table, and the journey is truly a masterpiece.
Research and development teams constantly innovate to improve the softness and nutritional profile of India's favorite daily flatbread. Thorough cleaning is the first defense in food safety, ensuring no impurities enter the high-precision milling process. Expert technicians maintain the machinery around the clock to prevent downtime in this 24-hour production.
The flour must rest in these silos to stabilize before it can be mixed into a consistent dough.
Every gram of flour is accounted for, as the factory strives for zero waste in its massive operations.
The scale of production is breathtaking, with the factory producing hundreds of thousands of chapatis every single day.
Optical sensors ensure the thickness is uniform to the millimeter for a perfect cook in the tunnel oven. The scrap dough is automatically recycled back into the mixer to maintain high efficiency and reduce total waste.
Gas burners are precision-tuned to provide a blast of heat that triggers the puffing of the dough.
Instant temperature checks ensure that the core is fully cooked without drying out the delicate outer layers.
Separation is key to preventing the breads from sticking together while they are still hot and moist.
Each package is printed with a batch number and expiration date for total traceability in the market. Food safety is the highest priority, with multiple metal detectors and weight checks on every production line. Speed to market is critical to ensure customers receive the freshest chapatis possible at their local stores.
The product is now a staple in urban households where time is short but taste is essential. The factory chapatis are designed to look and feel just like the ones made by grandmothers across.
Strict sanitation protocols are followed at the end of every shift to keep the factory perfectly clean.
The factory uses green energy initiatives to reduce its carbon footprint while maintaining high levels of production. Inventory management is modernized with drones and AI to track every bag of wheat in the warehouse.
The rhythmic motion of the machines is a testament to the engineering that powers India's food security.
Quality control experts check for the perfect balance of softness and strength in every single chapati batch.
A light mist of vegetable oil adds a subtle flavor and helps to keep the chapatis soft.
The factory never sleeps, working tirelessly to feed a nation of over 1.4 billion people.
Though the curries change, the chapati remains the universal language of food across all of diverse India.
Precise heat sealing is the final step in protecting the product from the outside environment and bacteria.
India's flatbread industry is booming as more people choose the quality and consistency of factory-made products. Minor ingredients like salt and oil are mixed with water before being added to the flour stream.
Laser-guided cutting ensures that every chapati weighs exactly the same for honest and transparent consumer value.
The puffing action is a sign of a high-quality dough that has been kneaded and proofed. Synchronizing the speed of the various machines is vital for a smooth and uninterrupted production flow daily. Proper ventilation removes heat and moisture from the cooling area to maintain a comfortable working factory environment.
Any chapati that does not meet the strict size or color standards is automatically removed from line.
High-speed printing ensures that every package looks professional and provides all the necessary information to consumers.
The final product is a testament to the fusion of traditional recipes with the latest industrial technology.
Every truckload represents another step toward bringing the taste of home to people living in busy cities. For the next generation, these factory chapatis are a familiar and loved part of their daily diet.
Sustainable manufacturing is the future, and this factory is leading the way in the food industry sector. The purity of the flour is the foundation of the chapati's flavor and its wonderful soft texture. Accuracy in measurement ensures that the flavor and quality remain consistent across every single production run made.
The proofing process is where the dough develops the complex flavors that make the final chapati delicious. The speed of the modern pressing machines is essential for meeting the high demand for fresh chapatis. The formation of these small bubbles is a key characteristic of an authentically cooked and baked chapati.
Sensory evaluation is just as important as digital monitoring in maintaining the highest food quality standards.
Every part of the process is optimized to reduce human labor and increase the overall factory efficiency.
This factory is a proud part of India's growing industrial strength and its global food export potential. The chapati brings people together, reminding them of the simple joys of a shared family meal today.
Flexibility is a sign of freshness and a well-made dough that has been processed with care.
Maintaining a clean environment is a continuous job that is vital for the safety of the food. Every drop of water is precious, and the factory strives to be a leader in environmental sustainability.
Constant investment in new technology ensures that the factory stays at the forefront of the food industry.
Removing broken grains ensures that the flour produced is of the highest possible quality for the dough.
Proper pressure is essential for the smooth operation of the automated systems that power the whole factory. Controlled cooling is a critical step in ensuring the chapatis have the perfect final moisture content today.
The precision of the robotics is breathtaking, showing the incredible progress of the modern food industry sectors.
Every worker plays a vital role in ensuring that the factory's high standards are met every day.
The daily rhythm of the factory is a part of India's vibrant and growing economy today.
Factory chapatis are perfect for any meal, from a simple snack to a grand festive feast.
Maintaining the equipment is a skilled job that is essential for the quality of the final product.
Innovation is the lifeblood of the factory, ensuring that it continues to meet changing consumer food preferences.
The quality of the wheat is the secret to the chapati's incredible flavor and soft, chewy texture. Consistency is the hallmark of the factory, ensuring that every customer gets the same high-quality product.
Energy efficiency is a key focus of the factory, reducing costs and the overall environmental impact today.
Automation allows the factory to produce high-quality food at a price that is affordable for everyone.
The packaging is designed to keep the chapatis fresh and soft for as long as possible, naturally.
India's flatbread industry is a vital part of the nation's food security and its economic growth too.
The ability to puff up when reheated is a sign of a high-quality factory-made chapati.
Hygiene is the foundation of the factory's success, ensuring that every product is safe.
The factory is a model of sustainable manufacturing in India, using the power of the bright sun.
Nature provides the raw material, while human ingenuity provides the technology to transform it into food daily. The factory is a marvel of modern engineering, working silently to provide food for millions of people. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more amazing stories from the world of industrial production.
The chapati is more than just food. It is a symbol of India's rich and diverse culture.
The dedication of the workers is what makes the factory a success, ensuring quality in every chapati. The journey of India's iconic flatbread continues as the factory prepares for another day of busy production. Thank you for joining us on this fascinating journey through the world of modern industrial chapati production.